This is a 2018 Sienna. Let's try to start it today, because 2 weeks ago I really feel the battery is getting weak today. It's been 2 weeks that I haven't started it, and it's not working. So it's come with such a huge battery. The car, wow, so there's rust all over these brackets. That's a problem with the lead acid battery. It emits this corrosive fumes. This is why, usually the battery compartment starts to rust like that. And the car is it's just almost 2 years old, or I think more than almost 2 years old. Wow, just have to clean this up. The old battery weighs 17.7 kilogram. So heavy. Okay, by the way, this is the OEM battery, lead acid battery. It's just rated 582 cca, so that's cold crank ampere capacity. The new lithium battery, this is a light ion P64, so it has a capacity of 750 cca. That's cold cranking ampere. And now the weight weighs only 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4.5 kilos. I've cleaned already this side of the battery compartment of the car, and we're ready to install the new lithium ion battery. I have to repaint the brackets so it won't look nice. I like my car really clean all the time, not just from the outside but also engine side, everything. Start the car, the new lithium ion battery. Okay. Nice. Everything's working. And car cranks up like really quick, crisp. Okay, we have the light ion battery installed, and we tested it, and it's doing really well. This small battery packs 750 cranking capacity ampere compared to the OEM we replaced, which has only 582, and 14 kilograms. Imagine the 14 kilograms you save compared to the OEM battery. That's 14 kilograms dead weight that's on your car every day you drive it. And I'm 100% sure that this battery doesn't emit any lead acid fumes, which cause the battery compartment to rust, like we've seen a while ago. And the lifespan I easily will outlast like maybe 3 times the ordinary lead acid battery, like what I have here in the Ford GT. It's been there. I have the same lithium battery for I think 9 years. So this car, every time I drive it, when I park it, open the bonnet, shut off the battery, and leave it there. Like this time, it's been sitting there up there for like 6 months. And when I get to drive it again, I'm pretty sure when I turn on the battery, off I go. And this Lotus also, and the McLaren over there, both have lithiums. Well, this lithium technology is so nice, Oh, one more feature I forgot. This voltmeter shows you real time the battery condition, how much voltage you have on your battery, and the on-off switch. That's the beauty of this battery. That's why you don't need to put a tender on it, because when you park it like this, just shut off the battery and all the power will be just there, stored. So no need for tender, no need for wiring. And when asked about the cost of the lithium battery, the technology, the first time I encountered this, when they made it an OEM, Porsche made an OEM battery for their 991 GD3s. It cost like 140 something thousand. But don't worry, this one will cost only a fraction of it, like maybe 10%. So, very cost-effective battery. And very nice, beautiful.